Hello friends, how to answer a question, tell me about yourself. This question is generally asked in a interview, and how to answer them, I am going to tell you some important things about how to answer them in an impressive way. Your answer should have 4 basic parts. One thing is that you have to talk about your basic details. That means you are from which city or village, such kind of basic information you have to give. The second thing that you have to talk about is your educational qualification. Means whatever the courses or whatever degrees you have completed, you have to talk about it. The third thing that you have to talk about is experience or skills that you have. And the fourth important thing that you have to talk about is your career goal or why you are giving that interview. So you have to answer this question in these 4 parts. Let us see these 4 parts with examples. How will you answer in first part? My name is Priya Patil. I am from Pune. In the second section or second part, you will answer, I have completed my BA from Mumbai University in 2022. While talking about your skills and experience, you have to answer like this. I have 5 years experience in customer service. I am good at communication and handling clients. And in the fourth part, that is your career goal or reason for giving an interview, you have to talk like this. Now I am looking for an opportunity to work in a company where I can learn and grow professionally. So in this way, you have to answer this question in 4 parts. So what you have to avoid while answering this question, don't start with your family background or don't talk about your family. Rather, focus on your education, your skills and goals. Also you don't have to repeat your resume line by line. Rather, you have to speak in a very natural and confident manner. How will you speak easily in an interview? It will be better if you practice in front of the mirror or with a friend before facing an interview. So next time when somebody will ask you, tell me about yourself, you will be ready with strong answers. Comment below your introductory sentence and I will help you to improve it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.